So it's been a while since just had some fun. I've been grinding, man. Really been putting this xTool to the test to see, what it's actually capable of. Was it worth it? And honestly, totally worth it. So far, a little hard on things. So I think xTool should use me as a testing ground. Right now I'm just working on a little sculpture, and so far it's kind of one of my favorite things with the xTool is just when it is time to work on some art, it's got a it's just got a workflow that's more artistic, meaning it's not as constrained sometimes as regular welding can be, that you're like super geared up, all these different things. Come on, baby. Blowing it. All right, regroup. I'm just kind of loose fitting this one up. I made a bunch of sculptures similar to this, but I did some forming, and I kind of left it rough intentionally instead of like planishing it and shrinking it. I just kind of used the English wheel to roll these, lines in it, and then just put a little bit of curvature in some of the sections. I plan to do some exterior work on it, some more texturing and welding, but I've been so busy lately. I want to make some art, so sometimes to counteract all the precision stuff I have to do, I just like to make some stuff that I don't take so serious in the beginning. I like to break the rules and bend them. And more often than not, that usually leads to like something new, a new technique, and I figure something out that helps me in the everyday grind. This is just some 20 gauge. I like working with 20 gauge, both for the shaping, English wheel, and cutting on the MetalFab. It's just like super fast cutting, nice to form. Once you get a little bit of texture or bend in it, it's rigid. So for like smaller sculptures, and different types of little signs. It's kind of thin for a single layer sign, but if I double it up, make some layers, it's perfect. That's locked in. Still. Get my fan going. See what's going on here. It's just a freestanding sculpture. And I let the sides kind of run over away from the original cut so that I can give it a more organic edge. But the faces, here and the back here will be pretty smooth and just a minimalistic, nice curve. And then I'll leave all the texture and energy on the sides for a little bit more of a contrast. Give it some depth.